Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to change the class time on Mindbody app. Now if you want to change the time of the scheduled class on Mindbody but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the Mindbody app on your device, and also make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data. So if you are not connected to any kind of Wi-Fi or data, then you won't be able to install it or you won't be able to cancel the time. So open the Mindbody app on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. So this is the homepage of Mindbody, where you'll see the various options at the very bottom taskbar, as well as at the very center of the screen. You'll be able to see various things like deals near you and all of it. So click on the option of profile at the very bottom right of the screen, and from here you just need to select the option which is schedules, and you just need to select the classes. And if there is any option to change the time of the classes, you may simply click on the option of it, and from there you may reschedule a class to the time which you think is suitable for you. But if there is no any option, then you may simply cancel the class, and you may also reschedule it for any other day that is suitable for you. So that's it. That's how you can change the time of the scheduled class on Mindbody. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.